Te lava, it's Wednesday. Korita, toku, ingoa. My name is Rita. In Māori Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Grace ahau. I'm Grace. Welcome to the morning report for whaKA, the 10th of June. Starting the week with te kupu or te wiki. This word is whaKA, which is te reo Māori for thoughtful. So please be whaKA, thoughtful at playtime and lunchtime with your uniforms and the sports gear. Kia ora. Okay, lunchtime activities. Today from 12:30 there's a football comp for all the years 4 to 6 meeting on the running track. Should be fun. Years 3 to 6, check this out. You have science experiments in room 10. Bring your brain and an open mind. And crafting is on the menu for 4 to 6 in room 9. Have fun, koutou. Ka pai. Okay, we have a special message from Mrs. Graham. She's on the line. Over to you.
Kia ora koutou, Te Anau SCHOOL. I'm just here in my office, which is looking out to a beautiful sunny day but a very frosty morning, so please be careful out there on those slippery surfaces, and remember, please keep the bikes on the concrete. It's really mucky over there by that big mound, and we want to keep our grounds looking as good as we can and take pride in our school. Thank you. Oh, just forgot one more thing. I'm just going to share with the teachers a special email. Inside of it has got all of the feedback from your playground, the playground survey that I sent out. So have a look at that, check that out, and then you'll be able to see all of the other ideas that were presented alongside the ones that you shared yourselves. Take care and have a fantastic week.
Thank you, Mrs. G. And you heard what she said. Bikes on the concrete, please. Okay, lost property. Fleeces, Māori, Somebody Erskine, Amelia Meffin, Ivy Card, and Zara K. Hat, Reuben Lewis. Come on, dude. It's been 4 weeks. Go get it now. And talking about clothing, only shoes or bare feet outside. Keep your socks dry and clean. Birthday news. Another sad day for the birthday period. No candles to blow out at Te Anau SCHOOL. But 98 years ago today, Morris Sendak was born, and we all know the book, Where the Wild Things Are. That's him. Happy birthday, Morris. Last news for the day. Mrs. Alba's math group. You start tomorrow. She's away today, sorry. Okay, if you missed any info, check the notes in the description box below. Ka kite a popo. And from everyone here at the Morning Report team, piki a ki te tangata.
Whakarongora.